Hello, friends. Soul, guts, fire, whatever you call it, it's what drives you and I. These qualities go beyond success in business and life. They symbolize the courage to rethink what you can do and what you should do for yourself. They are the prerequisites for disruption and innovation in a world that's ready for a healthy dose of designed and controlled change. And you need to keep pace with that change. Invest 9 minutes of your time twice a week on yourself and your career, and thereafter never look back again. So, friends, announcing the arrival of Sanjay Sutra shortcast, Understanding Work and Life with Humanity and Humility in mind. Focused on people who are currently in the workforce or likely to join it across industry or service, technical or operational, production or administrative, or HRM, whichever and whatever. I have specially designed this for you to improve your skill set and communications for faster growth by increasing your value in the eyes of your seniors, your managers, and of course, your management. Fine. If that describes you, you are in the right place, and you and I, have a job to do. For more details, I am always available to you at sanjay.chaudhary@rediffmail.com, and please do visit me at www.sanjaychaudhary.in. The question in your mind now will most probably be, so who should attend the Sanjay Sutra shortcast, right? Okay, you asked for it. Sanjay Sutra shortcast is for no replication. Please check my previous video on which I have shared an indicative but not comprehensive list, right? Please go there and have a look. I am Wing Commander Sanjay Chaudhary. I am a people's professional. Again, no duplication. Get all my details in the previous video. But here in a line, I have been an air warrior for some time, corporate honcho for some more, and a communication samurai always. With the Sanjay Sutra shortcast flagship 9 minutes twice a week commitment, you and others from around the world explore how you and I together encourage and ensure that you make a meaningful impact, meaningful in your work and your life. The program features my keystone template, which has stood the test of time, inspired by Vedic principles of Ruchi, interest, Yogyata, ability, and Vishwas, confidence. Ruchi, understanding individual interests emerging out of Swabhav, which is the core personality, right? Yogyata, understanding Abhav, which are deficiencies, challenges, improvement areas, and with Prabhav, that is external influences and inputs to build upon Yogyata, which is ability and capacity. Vishwas, achieving Siddhi, which are goals, with Vishwas, which is confidence and trust, through Sankalp, which is a commitment and determination, and Sadhana, intense effort and resolution and endeavor. This program, which perhaps is the only one of a kind in the world, focuses on understanding work and life with humanity and humility in mind. Here, you will travel with me to tackle real life, on the ground challenges using the skills you have mastered in our interactions. Huh? It takes more than hard work and a good head on your shoulders to make an impact. Believe me, it takes soul. Feed your soul with Sanjay Sutra shortcasts. And I dare you to go beyond just an MBA. Huh? Invest 9 minutes of your time twice a week on yourself and your career, and thereafter never ever look back again. Sanjay Sutra Shortcast, understanding work and life with humanity and humility in mind. Finally, the last word that must be said again. Sanjay Sutra Shortcast is not a secret recipe or a magic wand. The application of the three Vedic principles and the suggestions emanating from them will not, repeat, not make you instantly funnier or unimaginably successful in whatever you do, or even better, irresistible to the opposite sex. Add a little practice, however, and it just might. Eagerly looking forward to have a conversational dialogue with you soon at sanjay.chaudhary@readifmail.com, and do visit me at www.sanjaychaudhary.in. Right? Till then, be strong, be brave, be bold, and most of all, decide to be a new, improved 2.0 version of yourself. Bye for now. Take care.